Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to install and use Proton VPN on our Google TV for free. So let's check it out. Google TV or Proton VPN might change the user interface in the future. If the options look different when you're watching this, please let us know in the comments. We will provide the updated steps for this. We are using Google TV Streamer 4K for doing this, but this works for most of the updated Google TV or even Android TV devices. Proton VPN is one of the reputed brands out there for VPN services, and we can make use of their free VPN on Google TV or Android TV too. It will help us to access location locked content, provide better security and privacy. So we will see how to do this now. Before we proceed further, it is better to create a Proton VPN account. We can go with the free one to get started, and if you like the features, you can sign up for the premium paid subscription. We can then open protonvpn.com on our mobile and desktop web browser, then log in using our free account. This will come handy when we activate this on our Google TV, or we can download and keep the Proton VPN app on our smartphone. We can go to the Play Store or app section on our Google TV to download and install the Proton VPN app. Then if we open the app, we will get a screen like this. If you already have the app on your device, kindly check if there is any update available for the app. So there are two ways to activate Proton VPN on our Google TV. We can either scan this QR code using our smartphone's camera, or we can go to this trouble signing in and we will get this URL. We have to activate this, sign in and enter this code. Then it will be activated on our Google TV. We will see this one by one now. For the QR code method, we can take our smartphone, open the rear camera, then scan this QR code. We will get a clickable link here. Most of the modern smartphones have inbuilt QR code scanner. If not, we can download a separate app for this. We just have to point this and select this link. It will then open the web browser, or if we have the app installed on our phone, then it will open the app. Here we have to select sign in. That's all. Now it will be activated on our Google TV. And to do this on our desktop, we can open a web browser, then go to protonvpn.com, log in using our account, then enter the code shown on our TV. We will enter that and select verify code. That's all. Now it will be activated on our TV. So this is how the free version of Proton VPN looks. We can see the free available locations here. We can select any of them. And if you want to sign out, we have the sign out option here. For the locked countries, we have to upgrade for the premium plan. Suppose if I want to select Canada, I can go to the location and select this. We can select the connect option. That's all, connected. If we go to the home and if we go to the quick settings, we will see this VPN is connected via Proton VPN. We can select this and we can disconnect directly. These are the steps to install and use Proton VPN on our Google TV for free. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.